Today, we'll be taking a look at the door strike on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we'll go ahead and open the door. Now inside, this is where you will find your door strike. What your door strike does is a little pin. It slides inside your catch here, causes the door to stay closed. The plastic presses around the actual strike here. Now, if the strike is broken, it could be worn down or the top could be popped off, it will need to be replaced. In order to replace the strike, we have two Phillips screws that are holding it in. Just hold on to it when you take the last one out. Pull off on the strike and set it to the side. When installing your new strike, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the screw through it to start. Just kind of line it up. And there's no certain way to put this on. Just make sure the screws line up. Install the second one here. Make sure your door closes and opens correctly, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.